No, go inside. Just go at the back of the car. And look at Mama. Hi, Sivan. Hi, Mommy. Mommy. Oh, look inside. Okay, he's making a video. Go on the side.
Just be careful you don't touch. I don't know.
Chevrolet.
It's a Chevrolet.
No.
So guys, they're having a car show today. Vintage cars, right?
Oh my.
I'm just taking a video here just to show you guys this nice cars. Like old vintage car that's being they rebuilt it again and then repainted and rebuilt the engines. So yeah, looking nice. It's usually come out in the movies. So yeah,
Did you see the engine?
actually collectors cars here.
This way. Come here and show you. I see the engine. This side.
So Buick here.
Now moving to the next one.
It's yeah, white interior, very nice, leather seat. Yeah, so that's Shane, eh?
Yeah.
Thanks, Shane. You have a nice car, eh?
Thank you.
Yeah. So here's another one made by Ford. Yeah. So there's actually 17 cars on file here on this day, and Shane is leaving now. Yeah, there you go. All right. Mustang. Mustang GT. Oh.
All on the same day? On the same day.
Yeah, this car is Mercury. Yeah. Being rebuilt too. Recondition. Yeah. Ooh. Pretty nice color here. Yeah. It's a combination of orange and white interior. Yeah, one of a kind. Yeah. Really really good job, eh?
I mean, this isn't quite the, like this would be more, 'cause this is an actual Bel Air.
Here's another one, Chevrolet. Yeah. Yeah, he said it's a 1955 model. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah. Yeah, we got the last one here. Plymouth green color. Okay. A Barracuda. Barracuda. Nice color too. It's a green color car. Wow. So, yeah, guys. Yeah. It's happening at a drive-in here, Berry Waffles. Berry Waffles. Happening here in Kraus Farms here in Langley. All right, so that's it. Thanks so much for watching.